Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about OpenSience, or maybe so-called open research. And if we choose a suitable start, it will be helpful. Here is the open data website of CERN, which you can explore open data from particle physics on Large Hadron Collider, the LHC. There are many research groups on the entire experiment, such as CMS, Atlas, LHCb, and so on. We can choose one of them, and I choose the CMS group. CMS stands for the Compact Muon Solenoid. It's a big group at CERN, and it has already provided a lot of data and content that can be explored through OpenSience. So we can use this website as a good start. The data is often divided into two categories. One is the simulated data, and the other is experimental data. Luckily, in recent years, technology is promoted so fast. So moving forward, we will use container technology and like Windows subsystem to explore the content ahead. Each dataset can be downloaded, and through the file names we can understand the physics information of the data files. The file name was separated as we can see on the page. First we talk about simulated datasets names. Here is a file example. We just look at the titles and the big character part. The file name can be descripted by the convention. The file name was separated by symbols, underlines, and short bar. Let's take a look at the convention. If we have some experience, we can understand it. The first part is a process. Process is a physics process, such as QCD process. QCD means quantum chromodynamics process. And after the underline, the second part of the description is range type, range low to range high. Range type means the variable the sample is beneath, such as the particle's transverse momentum or the particle's mass. Range low, range high is a range in energy. So the GeV is an energy unit. It's the energy unit of range low, range high means the energy range, and the unit is GeV. The name part, the convention of the name part used short bar to add some additional description of the part, like a range type. So let's take a look at the example. The first part is process. It tells the glue 2H 2ZZ to 4 leptons. Glue means the 2 gluon trans to Higgs boson, then trans to ZZ, then trans to 4 leptons. And then the M short bar 550 means the energy range is about 550 GeV. It tells the particle's mass. Maybe the Higgs boson's energy. Okay, then the part go back to the convention. The next part is 3 words like filter, tune, comment. Tune is the underlying event tune. It's a complicated part for the hadron physics because there's some tune parameters to describe the particle, to describe the hadron procedure, and there are many. If we use the and also there are many additional filters that we used on the analysis. Also, if we need some comments and additional information, we can write the comment, and the comment can tell us more. The last part is calm energy and generator. Because of the simulated data sets, so we use the generator to generate some Monte Carlo samples. Also, for the generator, we also define the calm energy, means the center of mass collision energy. For the name, for the example name, we can see there is 7 TeV. It means the center of mass collision energy of this file. And the last part is generator information. They used Python 6. It's a general purpose event generator. It's a very common Monte Carlo generator on particle physics. And the other parts may be specific for the LHC experiments. So after we talk about the convention for the file names, if we want to know more about details on these parts, we can take a look at the content below. Like inside the process, we can see there are many convention keywords in the file, like electron, positron, muon, tau leptons, neutrons, and so on. And for the specific, be aware that the jet name means a jet is a shower of hadrons, which originate from a hadron procedure produced in particle collisions, also marked as G or jet. For the name, we can For the name range, for the name, this part we can see it means like this line talk about. M means particle mass. M short bar, the number, can named the Higgs mass of the energy unit. And as we can see, filter has often 3 parts, and a comment used only if necessary information be put in. OK, Pi 6 means the generator, and there is a lot of information can be known in details. If we don't have much experience, we can use AI to understand the information of the name. This is because the AI has been trained with a lot of public data. And for example, we can use the ChatGPT to seek the meaning of this file name. We can use this one and ask the question what it means. CMS group in details. Interesting. It excellent question. We can see the glue 2. H means Higgs boson production via glue fusion. 2ZZ24L means the golden channel. Okay, we can get the new information, the golden channel of the Higgs boson to 4 leptons, and the part I'm short bar 550 means the boson mass is set at 550 GeV. Also, it tells maybe BSM mass point, center of mass energy, and so on. Mean low HGG stands for multi-scale improved next leading order with Higgs 2 jets. It's a complicated idea. Complicated meanings. And tall Ola handle tall lepton decays. So you can chat with the AI to find more details. Okay, go back to the front page. Above all, from the Open Data website, and this is a good start to have the opportunity to explore modern physics experiment through a personal computer, and I think it's an interesting journey. I forgot to mention that because I use the browser, the Wedge browser, so I can use the workspace feature of the Edge browser to share the content, and I will attach the link at the end of this video. Okay, bye bye.